First to Germany, which will be plunged into a nationwide lockdown over the Christmas season amid rising cases of COVID-19. The German Chancellor Angela Merkel has announced the closure of non-essential stores, schools and daycare centers from the 16th of December to the 10th of January. After a meeting with the federal and state leaders, Merkel came to the conclusion of addressing the exponential rise of COVID-19 infections in the run-up to the Christmas holidays. The Chancellor also recommended that families who are planning to meet up should isolate for a week beforehand to be safe. From Wednesday, December 16, we will close shops except for groceries and other essential items. Non-essential items will not be allowed to be sold in grocery stores. And there is a ban on the sale of fireworks ahead of New Year's Eve with an ordinance from the Interior Ministry. But we appeal to all citizens, if you invite family members from other households over for Christmas, then please reduce contact for 7 days in advance, as far as possible, a protective week. Germany's festive lockdown also bans fireworks and large gatherings. The decision is set to cause a major disruption for retailers, the education system and the public at large during the festive season. Under the new restrictions, all non-essential shops and services will be shut. Schools are urged to continue lessons online, and the Christmas holidays have been extended to the 10th of January. Daycare centers will also remain shut, but parents will be able to take paid holidays in order to look after their children. Employers are encouraged to allow employees to work from home. People will not be allowed to drink alcohol in public. Religious events in churches, synagogues and mosques may take place under strict measures, but communal singing and gatherings will not be allowed. Some states are also planning to ease stricter contact restrictions from the 24th of December to the 26th so that close family members can spend Christmas time together, and the sale and purchase of fireworks for New Year's Eve has been banned. The goal of these new measures is to bring down the infection rate and for authorities to carry out contact tracing once again. Although the government has agreed on the new measures until the 10th of January, they may be further extended if the case numbers fail to come down. Germany has reported over 20,000 new infections and 321 deaths in the last 24 hours. The country's intensive care unit capacity is also at a critical level. Doctors have warned that only 5 to 10% of intensive care beds are available in some parts of the country.